just gonna put a mark here so you can see what I'm talking about. Say for instance, this is your mark. Okay, mark there. You want to cut that piece off there. So you're gonna put it here. You know, I'm not touching that button there now, because remember that's danger right there. And come over here on the side. See where the blade's at? See where the mark at, right?
Yeah.
Come over here on this side, you can probably see it better.
I can see it.
Okay, you want to measure, get your wood lined up with the blade. See the end of the blade? I want them right there. And then next thing you do is just pull down slowly. You don't jerk it down, okay? You remind your saw like that. But you have to take your left hand and hold the wood together like this on the, see how my hand is?
Yeah.
I'm holding the wood close to that. But my hand is not close to that blade.
Okay.
Okay, try holding.
Little thing just lines up all the way.
No, you don't. Oh, you want it to wear the blades right on the outside of it, because that's the top part of your mark.
Okay.
That part of the wood on the left side of the line is what you're going to keep. Okay, you ready?
I guess.
Now we'll stand over here. So you want to also be able to look at that line at the same time. Can you see the line in the blade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, pick this thing forward.
Push it thing on to the left and push the button at the same time. Just gonna jerk. Don't be scared. See? That's why I said you weren't through. You were too quick. Okay, let me show you. I probably should have showed you this to begin with. Let me see if I can get it in there. I tell you what. Let me go ahead and show you how I do it. But the line's right there, right?
Mm-hmm.
This comes back and forth.
Okay.
So when you come down,
You can probably just like rip these two pieces apart.
yeah, but you should cut it all the way through, though. You can't take a shortcut. Now, you try it again. Just put it right there. Remember, you gotta hold this. Hold the wood, because if not, it'll jerk back on you. Always wait till this blade stop before you reach. Okay. Always wait till that blade stop before you reach for anything, okay?
Okay.
Just in case. I know it has a guard on it, but you still want to be double safe on it. You got that one?
Mm-hmm.